We have 2,276 grams of dough at around 73% hydration, or we will when we add the salt and water. We're now going to be adding 25 grams of salt, which has been stirred into 50 grams of water. This dough has been sitting for 6 hours, autolysing. Let's take a look at the window pane. Wow, look at that. No folding, and it's got a beautiful, really beautiful window pane. See if you can see that here. Really, really nice window pane. Let me work the salt in. I should say the salt in the water. Then when I'm done, I will take out 750 grams of dough, and I will put that in a container to ferment at room temperature overnight. And I'll take the rest of the dough and just pop it in the refrigerator. And then after a day or two, we'll take out half of what's left and bake it. And then we'll wait another day and then bake the third loaf. So that way we can just see how well the dough does sitting at room temperature and sitting in the refrigerator for an extended ferment. Very nice dough. I think I'll let it set half an hour and come back again, and we'll do that one more time before I divide the dough. It's been another 30 minutes. I'm going to fold the dough again so I can get the salt incorporated better. I want to see what the temperature of the dough is. So it's fallen a little bit since I've taken it out of the proofer. It's about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Just trying to get the extra liquid in the corners. I'm going to cut off 750 grams of dough that will be fermenting overnight. Just a little bit more. Okay, I've got 750 grams here. I'll be putting the rest of this dough into the refrigerator, and we'll get to it in another day or two. So this is going into the refrigerator. And this dough I will leave to ferment overnight at room temperature, and we'll bake it up tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. This room temperature dough will be fermented at around 70 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 20 to 21 degrees Celsius. We'll be baking our first loaf tomorrow on day 2. If you don't wish to make sour tasting bread, then at this point, you need to put all of the dough in the container and put it in the refrigerator, and then you'll be waiting until day 3 to bake your first loaf.